Good morning, all. Today, I, Dr. Neha Ronald Williams, will give you a lesson on pain. Pain is a protective mechanism that is warning of something wrong happen in the body. Its physiological response, such as reflex, withdrawal movement, fast response, pulse rate, blood pressure, palpitation in heart rate, sweating, apnostic breathing. Appendicitis. Here, I have discussed some two examples. That is appendicitis, that is the inflammation of appendix. In this, pain is severe and intolerable, and cancer till advanced stage, the pain is severe. Pain are of two types: somatic and visceral pain. Somatic, arising from skin and from deep structures like muscles, bones, and joints, accompanied by contraction of surrounding skeletal muscle. Somatic pain is due to the physical stimuli that may be thermal, mechanical, electrical, or chemical. Visceral pain, diffuse, less easily localized, dull and aching, accompanied by sweating, blood pressure, heart rate, a sudden shock, vasomotor tone, nerve stimulation to muscles in blood vessels that will give rise to a muscle resting contraction due to ischemia, loss of blood supply, chemical irritant, stretching of visceral organ inside the ventral body cavity. Phantom pain is an elusive type of pain that occur things does not exist at that time. Example: patient like amputated but still experience pain in toe. Receptors for pain, nociceptors found throughout the body. These nerve endings may be either small myelinated fibers or unmyelinated fibers. Nerve fibers with myelinated fiber respond mechanical stimuli. Unmyelinated fiber respond to mechanical, thermal, or noxious chemical stimuli. Nociceptors found in larger number in skin, viscera few receptors. Visceral pain feel large area of organ to be involved as compared to cutaneous pain. Where a small painful area for appreciation of pain sensation. When one pain overlapped by other, deeper pain may appear to be lesser than superficial one. Referred pain, damage or difficulty to an internal organ associated with pain or tenderness, not an organ, but some skin region, innervation, nerve supply to a part. Anginal pain in substernal region and medial part of left shoulder and left hand, indicating pain of heart attack. Pain perceived brain normal function pathway to brain, intact pain receptor respond to stimulus. General anesthetic, brain cannot perceive pain. Nerve block pathway, brain interrupted. Nerve block pathway, brain interrupted. Pain receptor relay impulses through dorsal root of spinal ganglia to substantia glandulosa of spinal cord. Impulses that reach to the thalamus through the spinothalamic tract and then passing through the via medulla oblongata. From thalamus, it finally reaches to cerebral cortex. Thank you.